Hi, Boogie. And that's how you make chopped cheese pizza. I don't think anybody made it. I think it's the first chopped cheese pizza on YouTube. I just got a crazy idea. Hey, I make pizzas, so I like chopped cheese sandwich. I'll make a chopped cheese pizza. So let's try the plain slice, and then we're gonna do some crazy stuff. It looks good. So this would be your plain chopped cheese pizza. All right, that's the bottom of it. The crust. From the side, from the top again. It looks really good. So it's basically ground beef patty, onions, and cheddar cheese. It's delicious. Just as good as the sandwich. But real chopped cheese sandwich comes with ketchup and mayonnaise. So we're gonna have a slice with ketchup and mayonnaise on it. I shit you not, I'll do it. I'll do it right now, watch me. Some ketchup. Put some ketchup on it. Gonna do some mayonnaise. Oh. Hey, do I want to do this? No, I'm just doing it for everybody's entertainment. Alright. So here's chopped cheese pizza with ketchup and mayonnaise, because the sandwich comes with ketchup and mayonnaise, so you gotta at least try it. Alright? Alright, here we go, guys. As crazy as this sounds, it tastes just like chopped cheese sandwich. It's not bad at all. I was gonna say don't do it, but it makes it taste like a chopped cheese. For my third experiment, I'm gonna use some hot sauce. I'm gonna put some hot sauce on it, see how it comes out. See what happens when you put some hot sauce on it. There we go, with some Trop hot sauce. It's delicious. Unbelievably good. So what did I learn today? Chopped cheese pizza is a great pizza to make at home. It's very comforting and it's very tasty. It's not going to be the healthiest pizza you ever had, but it's going to be a very tasty pizza. Thank you guys for tuning in to Parks and Pizza. I'll see you in the next one.